In this lesson, we're going to learn how to navigate within the PowerTeacher portal. To access the PowerTeacher portal, you sign on to your PowerTeacher account. Once you sign on, you may notice that it says you do not have any current classes. If it does say this, click the school and make sure that you are in your correct building. Once you're in your correct building, you will see your current classes show up. All right, so on the left-hand side, we see our navigation bar. This bar allows you to access different things within the portal. The PowerTeacher Pro link will open up your gradebook. To return to the PowerTeacher portal landing page, click the PowerSchool icon in the top left. The start page will also return you to this PowerTeacher landing page. Daily Bulletin will allow you to see if there's any important information from your school about this day. You can look at your schedule. You can look at staff directory, meals. You may personalize your PowerTeacher account. For example, you can set the default student screen. You can change this so when you look at student information, what screen would you like to show up first? I would like demographics to show up first, so I'm going to keep it that way. You may also run reports through your PowerTeacher portal. The class attendance audit will show you classroom attendance. Once you click submit, you see that the report is running. You can refresh this and it's done. Then you may view your report. And remember, clicking the start page will bring us back to that main landing page. In the middle of this page, we see our current classes. Each class also has a PowerTeacher Pro link where you can access your gradebook. The chair icon will allow you to take attendance from a list view, and this is just a single day. So you can click on a name, say if they're tardy, absent, called in. You can also see if it's somebody's birthday. This will allow you to look at attendance for a multi-day purpose. So for example, if you know students are going to be gone for a full week, you can put that in. This will allow you to take attendance but from a seating chart. So you can use the seating chart design to set up your seating chart just like it would look in your classroom. That way you can look up and down the rows and you could take attendance that way. The fork and knife will allow you to enter student meal counts. So we got breakfast count, lunch count, etc. This backpack with the lowercase I gets you to the student information page. So it'll generate a list of the students in this class on the left-hand side. You may also switch classes from this. So we'll look at Alex Avery. And remember, we selected it so demographics was our page that defaultly shows up first. So here we can see student information, and keep in mind that we are not showing you real information here. This is fake information. We do not have a 30-year-old 10th grader. You also switch and look at different information from that student. You can look at the student's schedule, etc. And we click the icon to return back to our main page. And we have one more button, this print button right over here. This does the same thing as reports. It'll open up a page where you can print class reports.